In this video, I'm going to break down what you need to know about fibroids and how it affects your uterus. What's good, everyone? Today I want to talk to you about a topic that affects many women during their reproductive years, fibroids, which are growths on the uterine wall caused by hormonal changes. They can be benign, but sometimes grow into larger tumors, which may cause pelvic pain, abnormal bleeding, heavy periods, and even infertility. It's important for you to know the symptoms. I'll talk more about the symptoms and how to treat them in just a moment. But first, let me tell you some tips that will help you manage your symptoms. So 3 options that we have to manage symptoms are changing your diet, exercise, and stress management routines. Understanding these 3 options may help you be able to reduce or even get rid of pain and other symptoms. So some easy do's and don'ts you can follow are adding a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables, especially dark green vegetables. If you're not someone that normally eats a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables, my suggestion would be to incorporate the Carter method. I actually teach it in our ebook. But to make a long story short, the Carter method is the practice of trying to make healthy choices every time you eat by adding foods to your diet rather than just taking them away. Next, you have to manage your stress levels and be conscious about your blood pressure. Research has shown a strong link between fibroids, stress, and high blood pressure. So manage your stress and blood pressure is key. Natural ways to manage your stress are yoga, acupuncture, and massages. And as far as your blood pressure, you can manage that by just having a healthier diet. Things I don't recommend is a diet full of processed foods. Studies show that eating foods that are processed can make your fibroids worse. Also, lowering your sugar intake, which I know may be difficult for some, but my suggestion would be to just use a natural sweetener in place of sugar.
We're just trying to do it on a more healthier path. So, for instance, we have some cherries, which is for my daughter because I can't eat cherries, but yeah. We have some grapes. We have some spelt bread. Now, I never had spelt bread before, but I'm excited to try it, and probably with my avocado, with my avocados, to make some avocado toast and some other things. We have some quinoa. I think that's how you pronounce it. I know a lot of people don't know how to pronounce it, but it's quinoa today. So I'll probably make this with some broccoli and make like a little Asian dish. This is something that also I never tried, which is spelt flakes. So instead of oatmeal, we're gonna try this. We have some agave, raw agave nectar, which I'm gonna make. I'm gonna put this on top of my spelt flakes. We also have this cereal, which I probably use the agave for that as well. We have avocado oil. This is something that my brother told me that I should try for cooking instead of olive oil because olive oil is not good to cook with. So I have my avocado oil. We have some organic black plums, garbanzo beans, aka chickpeas. I think I want to make something like a hummus with this and make like a toast with hummus on it. We have strawberries. Now for snacks, I'm trying this out for the first time for my daughter, which it has one ingredient, which is fruit. And also for snacks, we have the organic mango halves that's, I believe, dried. Yes, dried fruit. So this is something I'm excited to try as well. I try other dry fruits such as strawberries and things of that nature. So this is something I'm excited to try. Then we have dry watermelon and coconut. I can't wait to try that as well. This is something that I love to cook with, make salads and things of that nature. Spinach. My all-time favorite, avocados. Grape tomatoes. I like to put these in my salads. kiwi, which I can no longer eat, but these are for my daughter. We have cucumbers, so I plan on making this as a like a snack for work, probably with some vinegar, salt, pepper, or I like to put these in my salad as well. We have kale, which I like to make kale salad, so I might saute it. Something else that my family loves is asparagus.
So that was just some of the things that I suggested for my sister to get to help her with her fibroids. Change your diet is key to manage your fibroids. Adding more fruits and vegetables should be the first step in making a switch, especially dark green vegetables like kale. Reason being is because fruits and vegetables are very healing, not only because of the vitamins and minerals that they contain, but also because of their fiber content, which may not only help toxins and waste matter to be removed from your body properly before they can cause damage, but increased fiber consumption can help eliminate excessive estrogen and help weight control. Now you may have noticed the spelt bread and the guave. I chose those two items because normally my sister would use regular sugar or white bread, which are simple carbs. Simple carbs may trigger or worsen fibroids. These food spikes blood sugar levels, which cause your body to make too much insulin. Excess insulin can cause weight gain and affect fibroid growth. So make sure you avoid refined carbs and added sugars. Hopefully this video gives you an idea of what to consume, but make sure you follow us on IG at PeaceLoveVegan420 and subscribe to us for more valuable information. So give this video a like, share, and like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.